Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ford F-150 XL. Under the hood we have a 3.5-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in charcoal, looks great. You got that Ford badging up front there with your tow hooks just down there. You also got your lights right here and your fog lights down there. And coming around the side here we do have our tires. They look great. The 20-inch rims are great. They have the Hankook tires, lots of tread left on them. You do also have your mirrors right up here with the turning signals, and you do also have your running boards along the bottom. Coming around to the back, you got a 6-foot box back here. Looks fantastic. You got the F-150 badging as well as the Ford. You got your backup camera right there. Open it up right here. Lets down nice and slow. There is snow in there, I apologize. You do also have the box liner on it, so nothing will be getting scratched up, and there is tons of room back there. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got a remote start there. That one lets down the back hatch, and you do have your panic button there. You can also lock it with that button right there. On the inside here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here, and you do have your seat memory right over here. You got your handle here, a little handle there, some storage, and more down here. Looks great in here as well. Very spacious, and the seats are very nice, the leather. You do have the controls over the seats, so backward, forward, tilt, and you do have the lumbar support right there as well. And then over here we have the controls over our lights, so our off, daytime running lights, low beams, and auto, fog lights, in-cabin light control, and the light for the back. You do also have this guy who brings in your pedals closer to you, and then you have the windshield wipers and high beams and turning signals right there. Let's start her up. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. We also have the battery and transmission, the oil and transmission up there. It does have our digital speedometer right now, but we can switch around to the power distribution, off-road status. You got your engine information, towing status. You can change the screen around as well as the fuel economy and the trips. Then you also have your trip over here. You have your truck info, your towing. You also have your off-road and your settings right there. That is control from right here with your cruise control options right here. You have your horn in the center, and you have your volume up and down as well as your skip and your mode there, and then you do have your Bluetooth options right there. In the center you do have your touchscreen display. It looks great. You got your phone options up here if you have one hooked up. Navigation, just over here. Then you do have your audio over here. You do have your AM, FM, Sirius XM, your CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD, and a line. And then you do have your climate control here. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. Controls over the 2-wheel, the 4-wheel, high and low. And then over here we do have our volume up and down with the power, presets, your media, your skip options, your tuner there. And you do have the temperature control right there with the power. You got the defrosts and all those different guys. AC for your seats as well as your seat warmers, and then your power there. Some storage down here with a line in and your USBs. Then you got your gear shift. When you are in reverse, you have the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe right there. Then you got a little bit of storage here. You do have some cup holders here, more cup holders right back here. You have your armrest, doubles as a storage container. Tons and tons of room back there. And then you do have your locking glove box right down here. Lots of room in there as well. Then up top, you got the control over the window in the back. You got your sunroof control, lights, and all sorts of different guys, as well as you do have sunglass holder, universal garage door opener, and a dual pane sunroof. Looks fantastic. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door, you have your control of your windows, your handle with the handle there. You got lots of storage down here, a little bit in here. Looks fantastic back here. Same material as the front, very comfortable. You can fold this down. You got an armrest right there as well. You do have your cup holders right there. They pop out just like that, nice and hidden. You can also fold this guy up like this. You got some extra storage underneath there. Then you do have some plugins right over there. And there's our 3.5-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2015 Ford F-150. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.